You get to go home safely.
What the heck, dude? Yes, it's just gonna be like a carnival ride.
Okay, get ready. Keep moving it. Get him. Nice.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of G-Man's Fishing Adventures. Today we're out here river fishing, catching some walleyes, and maybe even a little surprise fish. Hope you guys enjoy. Boom. Just caught this little crappie. I mean, this is out here on the river. Oh.
Might be the only fish you catch.
There's a ton more under there.
Is it really?
Yeah. Nice. I think I was hooked into a walleye at first. I was trying to like get my reel back to normal.
There's a nice one for the box. Look at that.
I was trying to get my reel back to normal, and something really big came up and hit it, and I lost it.
Just getting started. Don't horse him. Don't horse him. It's a nice one.
There we go. Barely even got it down in the hole. Got a walleye.
I had to turn the GoPro on because I knew it was coming up. It was gonna bite.
Ice. That thing shot up.
Smoked it too.
Yeah. One just came up to me and then looked at it and ran off.
Yeah, sometimes they do that and then they'll come right back and smack.
Yeah.
It. I've got a boatload under me, but I don't know if they're red horse or not.
Not bigger than 15, don't keep it, or what? That one's probably around 15.
No, I'd say keep them.
Keep them?
There's a few that are right around 14 in here. They'll be good eaters.
Yeah.
If we get something over 20, we'll release it.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, they're stacked up down here. I mean, over here. I just haven't caught one. Got one to commit.
It almost looks like a sheephead.
Oh, it's a. Yeah.
Or it's a red horse.
Can you see my jig? There's a fish like suspended up. Like just right above my jig. Oh, it left now.
That's probably my camera.
Oh, that makes sense. Oh, there's one towards the bottom coming up towards me.
Looks like there might be some sheephead in there. Sheephead and suckers.
Dang. That sucks.
Yeah, move until you find walleyes.
Like, we cannot get rid of the suckers, I swear.
There's one coming and looking at you.
So it's kind of hard.
Oh, another sucker coming through.
It'd be. Oh, Dad.
Hopefully you can see these suckers. Carp suckers, red horse, all kinds of cool stuff.
Dad, did you video you when you came out here?
No.
Bro, what the heck?
It's not Dad's fishing adventures.
Well, you always.
I'll send some I'll show some highlights on this video since you can't catch fish.
Some of your fish. Yeah, well. It's the fact that I need to find a walleye before I can catch a fish. These things are sure not gonna bite.
Yeah, I would suggest moving.
Yep, suggesting moving. Well, we've been moving around spots. Just figured out if you like put your arms out and block the sun a little bit, you can see the fish straight down of your hole. But on this little black pole, I got the little black pole, and then we got a little. What are these called again, Dad?
Can't see.
The thing that I caught the walleye on.
Drop kick? That pink drop kick? Or no, you got macula.
Alright, so this is a macula. It's got a triangle thing as a hook to tie onto. Then I got a little Niku minnow. I can't exactly remember.
Bolt minnow.
Yeah, bolt minnow. Yeah, Niku plastics, bolt minnow. We use these quite a bit. And then on my other rod, I got one of my favorite rods here. Little Sub-Zero angling rod with a pink koi pinhead. And yeah, 30-second nouns.
Show the camera. Disappointment.
Oh no.
We got red horse in here right now, but they're just on the outskirts. Here we go.
Oh yeah. Go on.
Got him.
Yes. Yeah, that's a big one. That's probably 15. Oh, it's not a big one, but it's.
It's 14.
14. All right,
15.
get down there. Oh, look at
I
this.
dropped the camera, so I probably spooked everything. Can I try?
Here, just wait. Oh yeah, look at his fins. Oh, just wait here. I'll show you his fins real quick. But look.
That's cool. I sure hope you're showing the.
Yeah. Oh, I was.
That was so cool.
Here, I'll try. Is that a? Oh.
That's a red horse. It looks like. Just keep making some noise.
That was cool.
That was sweet. I wish that the GoPro would show that better. Yeah, I don't know what it is about that macula tackle and that bolt minnow, but they like it better than that other jig.
Maybe they like a little different looking ones. Because this one,
Just a different profile.
yeah.
Having his buddy come topside must have spooked him.
Maybe. Shucks.
See how much it looks like a dead minnow?
Yeah.
Or a dying minnow?
Yeah, just like fluttering.
If they come from the other direction, you'll just have to be ready, but we'll see them coming from this direction.
It just like flutters weird. But this one is dead, so we can. This one has a circular one and a little the same plastic. So it is a bit different. But
that's the one that they just smoked. And they've been smoking it all afternoon. Oh, yeah, that's a sucker too. He might take it. Look at him. He's interested. Look at him. Oh, there's a walleye off to the side too.
Yeah, I see him. Bro,
that short head wanted it.
He came right up to it.
He flared a little bit. This is just gonna be our reflection. Look at how it looks on the GoPro. There you go. Oh, they're going underneath it. Oh my God. Please bite. That's a tank.
That is a tank.
Holy monkeys.
That's
You're getting too much into the video and not jigging. Oh, come on. Come on, walleye. They're just shutting down on us. Pull that up.
Yeah, for sure.
Well, suckers keep coming in interested. Okay, and in the 2 minutes G went to get a snack, there's 2 fish. They were caught.
Yeah, I thought this was supposed to be my limit.
I think you snooze, you lose, man.
I caught 1 fish, okay? So
Get him! There you go.
yes, finally.
He came fast, didn't he?
Yeah. Oh, there it goes.
Oh my God, G. Oh! That white sucker was gonna take it. He sucked on it.
Yeah, he did. I didn't.
I think he even might have had it for a second there.
Maybe
I think
just like one hook.
I think because you got those guts hanging out, he really wanted that. That's a nice white sucker.
Oh, there's a walleye.
Yep, sure is. Here you go. Get him. Woo-wee. You said hello just to say goodbye.
Well, that's my third of the day. No, he's caught like 24 because he came when I was in school. Like, that's foul, dude. Like, you can't do that. What the heck is that?
Oh, what is that? That's a
It's
stick?
A stick. The parent must have took it or something.
Yeah.
Or something like scurried
Maybe
off.
when that walleye went back, it dislodged it or something and it floated away.
Yeah.
Glad we brought the camera.
Yeah, heck yeah. This is cool stuff too. Watch
Yeah.
them come in.
Man, I hope you guys can see some of this stuff because it is awesome. And we're in 3 foot of water on a river, and the fish are just coming in fast and hammering it. You know, some of them aren't, but this is fun. This afternoon they were out deeper. Now the suckers are out deep, and the walleyes are coming in shallow to feed.
There's a couple of suckers there, and
Yeah, they're not near as thick as they are out in the main channel. So, and this is kind of a migration point where they have to go through shallower water to get downstream too. So, here we go. Boom!
get him. He's off.
Donkey. Whoops, we dropped the camera.
Go, put him back. I gotta get a thing anyways.
Yeah, that minnow head popped off in the...
Yeah. He popped off right at the hole. Luckily you grabbed him.
Check that out. White sucker, first one of the year, and it's getting all tangled up in my rod.
Bro, Dad, look at Look at, I have a big strand of guts hanging out.
Oh yeah. Dude, that white sucker came in. I was like, he's gonna eat it. He sure did. Nope. That's getting time to pack up. We gotta get this white sucker off the hook. All right. Okay, buddy. You got me all wound up.
Wait, what are we?
How many people would like this guy for tip-up bait? I bet a lot of people would.
Wait, what?
But he's going back.
What is it, white sucker?
Yeah.
Forgot what you said. Hey guys, hope you guys enjoyed today's episode of G-Man's Fishing Adventures. If so, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next fishing adventure.
Let me get a picture quick. There's a nice one to end the night. Going back.
Woo!
Nice.
That was nice.